back to school, ring the bell, brand new shoes, walking blues, climb the fence, books and pens. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Walk with me, Susie Lee, through the park and by the tree. We will rest upon the ground and look at all the bugs we found. Safely walk to school without a sound. Safely walk to school without a sound. Here we are, no one else. We walk to school all by ourselves. There's dirt on our uniforms from chasing all the ants and worms. We clean up and now it's time to learn. We clean up and now it's time to learn. Numbers, letters, learn to spell, nouns and books and show and tell. Playtime we will throw the ball, back to class, through the hall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. Teacher marks our height against the wall. We don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything. We sit side by side in every class. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes the way you sing. Tonight I'll dream while I'm in bed, when silly thoughts go through my head about the bugs and alphabet. And when I wake tomorrow I'll bet that you and I will walk together again. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. Yes, I can tell that we are gonna be friends.
Sleeping on the steps, waiting for the day to begin. 'Cause I know where you're at, but I swear one day you're coming back, my friend. I hope we meet in the air. And I've been thinking about what I'm gonna do with today. 'Cause you took the long way home, but I can't foresee me going any place. Any place. Move along is all you heard. I'm sure you're fine right there. But if you're bad with words, we have a space to share. A space to share. everything I don't believe. I can't compete with this absence. My chest has found it hard to breathe since you decided to leave. And I've been thinking about what I'm gonna do with this day. 'Cause you took a long way home, and now it seems you're not even on your way. On your way. Move along is all you heard. I'm sure you're fine right there. But if you're bad with words, we have a space to share. A space to share. And all I wanna do along is all you heard. For a minute, I'm sure you're fine right there. Yeah, yeah,
touch me, take me in your arms, shelter me from harm. Let me love you for a million years or more. I never felt this way before your kiss. You take my heart away.
Love me from your heart. Let us never part. Bring me all the dreams you thought would never be. We'll make them all reality, just you and me. You take my heart away.
You're my dream come true, baby. I love you. I confess I need you. I will never leave.